Hello guys, welcome back to another training review. Today we are at Teignmouth. Here we got 150, 263, nice two-tone there. 150, 263 and 150, 249 on a Great Western Railway service from Teignmouth to Exmouth. Next off that one being Dawlish. Here comes a double 800 going from London Paddington to Penzance. Nice way for the driver. 800 019 on the front and 800 009 on the rear. $800 019 and 800 009 on a Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Penzance. Next off that one being Newton Abbot. Here goes a HST 43093. Nice two-tone there. 43093. And 43 042 on a Great Western Railway service from Penzance to St David's. Next off that one being Dawlish. Here goes 150 233 on a Great Western Railway service from Paddington to Exmouth. $150 233 and $150 219 on a Great Western Railway service from Paddington to Exmouth. Here arrives 150 246, nice sway from the driver there, on a Great Western Railway service, and 150 244 on the rear, on a Great Western Railway service from Exmouth to Paddington. Next off that one being Newton Abbot after Teignmouth. Here comes a 800 321 on a Great Western Railway service from Penzance to London Paddington. Next off this one being St David's. $800 321 on a Great Western Railway service from Penzance to London Paddington. Here goes a 165 101 on a Great Western Railway service from Paddington to Exmouth. Next off that one being Dawlish. Here comes a double 221. 221 123 and 221 125 on a cross-country service from Bristol Parkway to Plymouth. Next off that one being Newton Abbot. Here comes a 220 and 221. Going from Plymouth to Bristol Parkway, 220 011 and 220 119. No, 221 119. On a cross-country service from Plymouth to Bristol Parkway. Here comes a 166 166 217 on a Great Western Railway service from Exmouth to Paddington. 166 217 on a Great Western Railway service from Exmouth to Paddington. Comes a 800 800 314 on a Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Paignton. Next off this one being Teignmouth. $800 214, I think, on a GBR service to Paignton. Here comes a 800. Nice way from the driver there. 800 306. $800 306 on a Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Penzance, going rather slow. HSC 43042, nice way from the driver there. 43093 is on the rear. 43093.